Lake Merritt is one of Oakland's most iconic neighborhoods, surrounded by parks, bustling downtown offices, and major healthcare institutions. If you live or work in this area, Safety Training Seminars' Lake Merritt location on Harrison Street is the perfect place to earn or renew your life-saving certifications. Our American Heart Association certified courses in CPR, BLS, ACLS, and PALS combine the flexibility of online self-paced modules with hands-on, in-person training led by experienced instructors. What makes our location unique is convenience. At Safety Training Seminars, we offer daily classes, evenings, and weekends, making it possible to fit CPR training into even the busiest lifestyle. With same-day AHA e-cards valid for 2 years, you leave with not just new skills, but the certification you need right away. Enroll today at safetytrainingseminars.com.